Welcome to Winning at Life Online, the place of product reviews, life hacks and money advice. Today I'm just going to do a quick 2-minute video on the OtterBox Statement Case. As you can see here on my iPhone 10, this is the case in black. I chose to go for the black because the light blue and the maroony red, they looked pretty cool, but the black just looked more sleek, classic, sophisticated in my opinion. I mean, the other colours look great, but yeah, I chose the black, and this is what it looks like on the iPhone. Pretty cool. Got the leather at the bottom here. This is a mixture of rubber and glass, scratch resistant. You've got excellent cover there for the camera. It's that deep ink cuts when you put it down on tables or slide it across the surface or whatever, it won't scratch. And I think the black, in my opinion, just makes the white of the iPhone and the glass at the back just stand out like crazy. It just looks awesome. I think for the darker iPhone, so for like the space grey, not the silver one, the brighter colours will look better, but on the silver with the whitish back, the black or the Manhattan blue in the OtterBox Statement Case look the best. I mean, it just looks really sleek and classy. And at the front as well, it just all blends in and looks just really sharp and really nice. And I got this case, I upgraded from this one that I had, the Gear4. Now there's nothing wrong with this. Again, you can see the back's great, it's got branding on it there, and it's got the camera protection there, D30, but it's got yellowing all around here, yellow down the side on the D30 rubber band. The bottom you've got really grubby, and I've cleaned this as well, and it got dirty there, and it just like stayed in the plastic and wouldn't come out. So I thought, you've got like a £1,000 phone, it looks horrible in this. I mean, Gear4 normally really great, but I don't know what's going on with this, so I decided to upgrade, like I said, and I got the OtterBox, the Statement, and I just think that looks so much better. I mean, what do you guys think? Do you think the Gear4 case, or I think this just looks so much more classy, so much more better, and it feels good as well. There's a bit of slip at the back where it's glass, but where the glass meets the rubber, that's when you can get your grip again, and the rockers feel solid and strong, up and down. You've got your switch in there for silent to loud, obviously the lock. Really solid, really good. And this case, like I said, it's £38. I got a discount from Apple because they do discount schemes, and I'd definitely recommend it, and in this colour, in the black. So I just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys what it looks like, because most of the videos are people just doing it, holding the case up like this and not showing it what it looks like on the phone. But I think it looks fantastic on the phone. Please like and subscribe, let me know what you guys think.